Hello to all. I am S. Lalita, Assistant Professor of Dr. SNS Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science, Department of Computer Applications. In this video, we are discussing about call by reference in C programming. Call by reference in C programming. Let's discuss through the video. What is call by reference in C programming? Call by reference allows the functions to access the modify and original values and paused it. Instead of pausing the copying the value, the functions receiving the memory address reference of the variables. Enables of efficiency and use the direct modifications of values. The data can predict the values from user using the memory address. Syntax. Call by reference allows the function to access and modify the original's values paused to it. Instead of pausing or creating a duplicate copy, it's the receiver memory address of the variable and it's get the value what we are provided. Enable the efficient use and direct modifications of the variables. Syntax. It is the examples of the swapping two numbers. In this program, we are declared function statement with the name of swap. Void swap int a and int b. Int a, int b is also called as the parameter or a argumental. In the int a, create a temporary storage devices like a asterisk a, that means it store the memory address. A is to transfer into b and b transfer into temp. So we can swapping the number through this coding statement. Int main providing a x is equal to declare into the a and y is equal to declare into the b. Again temporary value the x will be that x value is stored into the temp variables and then it making the swap. Swapping means a variable stored in b and b variable stored in c. The output will be provided 20 and 10 because both numbers are swapped using the reference call by reference statement. Asterisk is mentions used to define memory address of the variable. It's provide when we are providing the asterisk. It's also denote the memory address of the values and get the values from the memory address. It is also called as the call by reference. How it's work? A variable x and y in the memory address being the pass to swap. It's defining the modifications functions. Asterisks use arrow to represent the passing values and passing value changes. Advantages of the call by reference. Advantages of call by reference is the modifications original data directly. In the call by values, we could not modify any data directly, but through the call by reference, we can predict the address and modify the values of the data. No duplicates of large structures. It could not create any copy of the values, so it's no duplications copy of any data. Allows the multiple values to return through the parameters. It can allow multiple values through the parameters, so it can predict the data, it can predict the values from multiple time. Especially useful in swapping, sorting, pausing array to the structure. Swapping means it will be the providing two members, it's an interchange there itself. Sorting is we can arrange the numbers in this order, some particular orders. Pausing array or structure is providing the multiple kind of values in the same data type. Call by reference and call by value differentiate. Call by value it can create the duplicate copy of the values, but call by reference it can refer the address of the variable and pick the value what the values is defined in the address. So call by value it can create a duplicate copy, but through the call by reference We could not create any duplications copy. It will be used to access the original values. In the output program, x is equal to 20, y is equal to 10. The x is equal to stored as a 20 and y is equal to stored as a 10. It's the memory numbers like 100, 1000, 2000. The pointer is deduct the address of the memory and also get the values. The pointer will detect the address of the values and get the values. It is called as the call by reference. Thank you.